So a quick little cue for that banded face pull. So we're trying to keep those elbows nice and high. So unlike a banded row where we're down here, we're trying to keep those elbows high. As I pull back, I'm also trying to pull that band apart. So I'm really trying to pull it apart and back, keeping those elbows up. So we don't want to be in this over-exaggerated position here. Shoulders back and down, and really just trying to elbows up, squeeze that band apart and squeeze those shoulder blades back and together as you're pulling back.